So tell me one thing or two things that you really learned from participating in this contest, and that it's something that you feel like you can take that further in your career as a scientist.
In general, it really made me way more comfortable and exposed me really for the first time to presenting science in this, visual medium, multimedia, slideshow presentation, abstract, and video, trying to get at both a broader audience and a more scientific audience. Uh, I think this digital multimedia form of presentation is just going to become more and more popular, and so just the pure exposure to it was just amazing for me. And so that, practicing, I guess the process of creating the video in and of itself was very enlightening in terms of the types of, how to turn something that's very scientific into something that a more general audience can understand. Maybe that, yeah, I guess if you call that a skill, that would probably be the biggest one for me, is learning how to make that transition between the scientific and the more general.
Which is a great skill for a scientist. I mean, we always need to be able to communicate to outside of our circle of scientists, and show actually the relevance and the importance of what we do.
Yeah, that's essential. I mean, I think if it wasn't for that, then there wouldn't really be a point for science, I guess, because science
Exactly.
really should apply to everyone.
Exactly.
So being able to communicate it well is essential, especially if it's hard to get funding. Nowadays, with crowdsourcing and all that, there's a lot of other ways to get funding that
Yeah, that's
sort
an
of
excellent
rely on
point.
that. Yeah.